additive manufacturing really opens a lot of doors when it comes to research. It's still a relatively young technology, and the materials which are currently being used, particularly on the metals machines, are still considered quite limited. So there's a great opportunity to study new materials, that their properties that are developed when you make parts and process them, the parameters which are required by the machine in order to create those materials or those products. It could be to do with the productivity. How do you increase the productivity of these machines to actually compete in that conventional manufacturing world, to bring those costs down? It could be looking at the sustainability, things like the contribution to net zero. How can that be achieved through additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing can really contribute to the advancement of future technology as well, because almost on a monthly basis we hear about new technologies which have been either adapted from existing processes to become additive processes. One of the classic ones that we've seen popularized recently is the 3D printing of buildings, which is the deposition of concrete, which is now being used to construct large buildings all over the world, really. So that's an involvement of an existing technology into a 3D printing additive manufacturing application. Those opportunities still exist in many, many other areas of industry. So the development of technology is an opportunity that additive manufacturing still has to give the rest of the industrial world lots to discover in that respect. That's where the university can also help, because you can do some of that experimentation and some of that development work in environments such as ARU.